Introduce features highlight or overview summary about ARRIS Surfboard Thruster W6B Wi-Fi 6E Gaming Acceleration Kit. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include Interruption-Free Gaming, outperform the competition thanks to a dedicated 6 GHz connection. With a 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port and a 6 GHz band dedicated to gaming, experience no slowdowns or disconnections caused by other devices. The only pause in the game is when the game ends. Hardwired Reliability / wire-free. The ARRIS Surfboard Thruster Gaming Acceleration Kit has all the benefits of a hardwired system without the hassle of running messy wires. Improved speed and latency. With the ARRIS Surfboard Thruster Gaming Acceleration Kit's dedicated 6 GHz connection, a customer's gaming experience will outperform the competition. That means no lag or buffering during the most important game of their lives. Ready to use out of the box, the ARRIS Surfboard Thruster Gaming Acceleration Kit comes prepared right of the box. Simply connect one of your Surfboard Thruster gaming bridges to an existing Wi-Fi router and the other to your gaming console and you will be gaming smoothly in minutes. Fast, easy, secure setup with Surfboard Central app, provides step-by-step instructions to set up and manage your network. Once setup is complete, the app displays all devices connected to the network into one dashboard. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.